How is your
Huh?
family? How is your family? How are your parents?
Good. How's your family?
Yeah, everybody is good, So you live with your family
Oh,
or you live with your friends?
I live with my family.
Okay.
What about you?
Yeah, I live with my family as well. So if you don't mind, could you please repeat after me some words, like some sentences? It will be help me to improve my English and I can help my students.
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay. Um, Excuse me, how are you doing today?
Excuse me. How are you doing today?
Oh, well, I'm pretty good. What about you?
Yeah, you are. I told you, like, your English is good.
If you don't mind, could you please repeat after me? I just wanna hear your accent. I'm following American accent, but I like Canadian accent as well, so it's pretty good. How do you say, "Hey, what's up? What you doing?"
Okay. Hey, what's up? What are you doing?
Yeah. Um, Nothing much. Nothing much.
Nothing much.
Okay. And hey, do you wanna hang out with me?
Hey, do you want to hang out with me?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Okay. So, do you like a cup of tea?
Do you like a cup of tea?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Uh,
It's kind of fun. It feels weird repeating it.
But it's
Oh
good,
my
When
gosh.
I say something, you repeat after me. I can improve my accent, like, oh wow, that kind of like it. I need to follow that rhythm.
It feels so weird though. Sorry for
No,
laughing.
it's okay. Yeah, you're laughing. It's not a biggie. It's not a big deal. How do you say that? It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
Okay. So, you know what I mean?
What?
You know what I mean? Repeat after me. Just repeat it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Oh,
you know what I mean. Okay. And do you know where I'm from?
do you know where I'm from?
Yeah. No, I don't. Where are you from?
No, I don't. Where are you from? Oh my god. Stop it. You're making me laugh so.
Look. If you wanna learn new language, you have to work like that, to improve your accent.
Oh my god.
When my students will watch it,
It feels
they
so
will
weird. I'm
love it.
sorry for laughing again.
Uh, okay.